Hello and welcome to Tektronix. Today we're going to talk about how to utilize the measurement features on a TDS3000 series oscilloscope. I will first show you how to access the measurement tool. If we select Measure, you can see we are given a menu providing Select Measurement, Remove Measurement, Gating, Statistics, High-Low Setup, Reference Levels, and Indicators. Select Measurement gives us our measurement options. We could select Snapshot All Measurements, which would allow us to view all measurements at once, or we could select individual measurements. Note that we can only select 4 measurements at a time. If I try to select more, for example, 2, 3, 4, and 5, the machine will tell me 4 measurements maximum. Only 4 measurements can be selected at one time. Select 1 or more measurements to remove. So we can either remove any single measurement by selecting one of these 4 appropriate buttons, or we can remove all measurements. Now back to using our measurements. We will just choose a couple basic measurements like period and rise time. And you can see to the right of the screen we have a list of our measurements showing the value, the mu, which is our mean, and the sigma, which is our standard deviation. If we select gating, we can choose gating to be off, or we can limit gating to the viewing screen. Or we can limit gating even further by selecting between vertical bar cursors. We can adjust our cursors using the multi-purpose control, pressing select to switch between cursors. We also have the option to bring selected cursor to center screen, or bring both cursors on screen if they happen to be off screen. Selecting statistics, we can have our measurements be off, or show min and max values, or show mean and standard deviation values, and we can adjust sample size with the multi-purpose control. We can also change the high-low setup, which is just a way to differentiate the criteria for high and low values between a pulse and a waveform. Selecting reference levels, we can set our levels in percents or units. We can also change our high and low references for measurements like rise time, and we can change our middle references for measurements like period. Note that we must select which reference we want to change before using the multi-purpose control. We can also select Set to Defaults to restore any changes made to those reference levels. Another nice tool is the Indicators feature. And I'm just going to clean up these cursors for a more pleasurable viewing experience. Select Indicators followed by our measurement indicator. We will choose rise time. And as we scale in horizontally, we get a better look at our indicators showing where the machine's measurements are coming from. Thank you for watching our video. If you'd like to learn more information about our products, please visit www.tektronix.com/support.